Hello web developers, in this video I'll show you how to style an XML file using an XSLT style sheet. Let's start by looking at the XML file. Here it is. You can see its clear, well-structured hierarchy with opening and closing tags such as sale offer, furniture, name, dimension, material, age, date, price, and ref. You'll also notice that the XML document is linked to the XSLT style sheet named Sales Style XSL, which defines how the data will be displayed. Here it is. That is in XML document linked to that XSL, and here is XSL, where we style the XML document. Inside the XSLT file, I use XSL for each to loop through the selected XML elements. I also use XSL sort to arrange the output in a specific order, making the data easier to read. Finally, I use XSL value of to extract and display the value of each selected XML node. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these XSLT elements work together to transform raw XML data into a clean and readable HTML presentation. This structure uses sale offer as the root element, multiple furniture elements to represent individual items. Each furniture item contains the required tags: name, dimension, material, age, date, price, ref. The price element also includes an optional currency attribute. I use XSL sort and XSL value of to display the furniture sorted by name. XML is linked to the style sheet by XML style sheet type text XSL, hyperreference sales style XSL. My file uses XSL for each to iterate through each furniture element, uses XSL sort to sort the furniture alphabetically by name, uses XSL value of to display each XML element's value, and outputs the data as a readable HTML table with basic styling. So let's see the presentation in the browser. Here it is. You see one HTML table with the elements from the XML file. Hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, you can always subscribe to my channel and I will continue this type of working. Thank you and bye.